Hey guys, I'm Scott Arnold, a member of the Toolbox Buzz crew. We looked at the Ryobi's new Speed mobile workstation, which is coming out in May of 2024. This workstation is an innovative two-in-one product designed to transform from a mobile two-wheel cart to a workbench. Let's take a closer look at this unique product and see how it performed for us. The new Speed Bench has a steel frame with 400-pound workbench weight capacity. And when you switch it over to the two-wheel cart, it has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. We found this cart was ideal for transporting toolboxes, 50-pound bags of ice melt, and even large pieces of furniture. This cart has 10-inch all-terrain rubber wheels and a 19-inch wide steel skid plate with tool-free detachable knobs that allows the skid plate to be removed and you can slide underneath a tonneau cover. The Speed Bench has a large, durable wood working surface that is constructed out of parawood. Parawood is ideal for furniture and it's great to use as a work surface due to its durability, strength, and resistance for warping. The work surface measures 42 inches wide and 22 inches deep. The surface allows users to mount power tools such as a miter saw directly to the wood. The Ryobi Speed Bench comes unassembled and required about 10 minutes to put together. Inside the box is the workstation pieces, 2 link assembly rails, 1 link double organizer bin, the hardware, and the 2 large rubber wheels and a manual. The assembly was relatively easy, completed in only about 10 minutes with a screwdriver and a couple wrenches. Let's talk about first impressions. There are 4 things that I look for when it relates to a good working station. They are pre-assembly requirements, durability, portability, and usable work surface. At first glance, the Ryobi Speed Bench workstation meets all of these requirements. We were impressed with the Speed Bench's adaptability and well-built design. We also feel that you may be seeing this innovative mobile workstation on job sites, in workshops, and DIYers' garages. Let's talk about how it transforms from a cart to the workbench. The Speed Bench workstation can be set up effortlessly with one fluid motion, allowing users to transport and to set up wherever needed. Simply depress the locking system with your foot and push the cart handle down in one fluid motion. The locking mechanism releases the wheels and the table tilts to 180 degrees for the use of a workstation. The locking mechanism locks both the table upright and uses the workbench and the cart operations. We found this design of the locking mechanism easily disengaged just by tapping it with your foot. When done working, the workstation quickly folds up and can be stored or transported. The Ryobi Speed Bench comes with 10-inch rubberized wheels, which provides great maneuverability and easily rolls. We found that the Speed Bench rolls easily over surfaces like grass, concrete, and gravel. The 10-inch wheels provides excellent clearance between the frame and allows the cart to navigate stairs while carrying a load smoothly. This workbench is perfect for assembly. In the shop, we used the Speed Bench as a workstation for assembling a custom headboard we were making for a client. The large surface was a great place for working with our Craig jig equipment. The edges of the table allow for clamping on all 4 sides of the work surface. During the same headboard build, we used the Speed Bench as a miter saw stand, and can see this workstation being used by some as a miter saw stand. We didn't feel like we wanted to put holes in the surface for mounting our table saw permanently, but you can. The work surface of this workstation is deep enough to hold our 12-inch miter saw without having any overhang. This workbench has surface markings. There are convenient SAE and metric measurements and a protractor printed on the work table for reference. These lines are good for quick measurements when a tape measure is not handy or to confirm an angle of a cut. These lines are black and bold and make them stand out and easily read even in low lit areas. The angles left to right read 15 degrees, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, and back the same way down to 15. Additionally, the bottom of the work surface has a 40-inch ruler divided into quarter-inch increments. We tested these measurements with our digital angle finder, a rafter square, and a tape measure, and they proved to be accurate. The Ryobi link accessory also are compatible with the speed bench. It features 2 link assembly rails and 1 link double organizer bin that securely attaches to the workstation's top. If you're not sure what link is, it's the Ryobi modular system, which utilizes a clip-on attachment. This setup effectively allows for small parts and fasteners and bits to prevent them from getting lost. However, it's worth noting that we did find the double organizer didn't fit tight on the rails, presenting a risk of items falling or getting misplaced. Here are my final thoughts. The Ryobi Speed Bench impressed us with its robust, durable design while maintaining portability and easily stored. Its affordable price point makes it attractive to both homeowners and contractors seeking a reliable workstation. With its adaptability, practicality, we feel it'll become a popular choice for projects in a variety of settings. The bottom line is this: you can make this workstation your own. For example, I plan on modifying my workstation by mounting a Craig-based clamp system to the work table to help me with my clamping operations. If you like this review, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. 2024 is shaping up to be one hell of a year. I'm Scott Arnold. Take care and stay safe.